So today I'm going to show you how to record an open house video using Google Meet. So the first thing I would do is I actually made a little slideshow for parents, so this way I have something to talk about when I'm recording myself. So if you made a slideshow, that's great. Keep this tab open, and then you're going to go into Google Classroom and choose any classroom. It doesn't matter. Then you're going to click on the Google Meet link. See yourself. Okay, then you're going to click on Join Now. Okay, so now you're in your Google Meet. There's nobody else in there. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the three buttons and you're going to choose Record Meeting and then click on Start Recording. Click Start. It says recording will start soon. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my presentation. I'm going to choose Tab and just choose my open house and click on Share. Okay, so then I would go into present mode and just start speaking about your open house presentation. Okay, so when you are finished with your presentation, just go back to here and you're going to click on Stop Recording. Click on it again. Okay, now it says the recording will be saved to Google Drive. So what you're going to do now, just wait a couple minutes and you're going to get an email from Google Meet showing you the link to your Google Drive video. Okay, so once you go to your inbox, you're going to see an email from Meet Recordings, and this is going to be the Meet recording. You could just click on Open in Drive. What I like to do first is actually rename this. If you just click it, you can rename it Dr. Wells Open House Video, just so it's easier for you. You can see it changes. Then I like to click on the three dots, click on Share. And what I always do is I like to just click on the settings here and make sure it's on anyone with the link. You could also choose school district only, but I like to choose anyone with the link, and then I just click on copy link, and then you could put that link into your Google Classroom or your teacher webpage.